How to add users to your myQ garage door opener. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add users to your myQ garage door opener. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to launch the myQ application and then click on menu here at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on users and credentials and click on add user. So once you click on add user, you should see the option of co-owner and family and friend. So co-owner is your partner or another adult, and the other is any family or friend, that is household member. And once you select the access, which one that you want, you'll be redirected to an interface of user details. So you're going to type down the name, email, and confirm email of the person. And once done, you're good to go. Simply click on next. And that is how you can add users to your myQ garage door opener. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.